everybody in YouTube land. I'm going to try something on this 2014 Jeep Wrangler Limited back to black. Now, why I'm going to do this, I'm going to show you. See if I can see how it's faded, bumper and all this right here, up there. I done tried some of it right there. I want y'all to understand this stuff is white. To be honest, it looked like jizz. So anyway, all it's going to do is change the color to about like so. I done tried it on this side. If you see back there, there's a ton of difference. I haven't really went full onto this one. I'm going to. There's a night and day difference, if you see. I'm going to show you what this stuff looks like. The reason why I say it looks like jizz. So when you put this stuff out, that's what it looks like. I gotta wipe that up real quick. Yeah. That's what that stuff looks like. And if you keep going over it, I'm guessing if your fender flares are really dry, I guess this soaks it up. I'm guessing that's what it does. I've been working on this one for a while because it's really faded. I did this right here, believe it or not. You can see a night and day difference. So yeah, if you want to try this, it's back to black. To be honest, I was skeptical of it, but I don't know. It's starting to work itself on me. Am I a fan of it? Not really, because if you look, after a while, when you start doing this, like doing your fender flares, it'll start to fade away. So you have to keep going over it. You have to keep going over it with this stuff. You see, it kind of brings a sheen to it. I've been doing this probably for about 2 or 3 minutes, but I do go over this sometimes. You see what it does right there? It was dried up on the other side, like I said, but if you keep working with it, it'll bring it around. I got another side, the other side to do. Do I recommend this stuff? Only if yours ain't like cracked, broken, or something like that. It'd be a good idea. But two, I wouldn't let this stuff set because it will leave a spot. You just gotta work it around. Kind of, they say you kind of swirl like that. Whatever works, I guess. But if you don't want to try it, that's it. Back to black. It's backwards, but it may be forwards too when I put the video on YouTube. So yeah, it's just I wanted to try this to try it on my truck. If you go through my videos, you see how the $2,000 ring. I had to replace a torque converter on that thing. I was going to do a video on it, but here in my neck of the woods, it's been raining a lot, and on the day I put the torque converter in, we had a chance of rain the very next day, I think later on that night, and I had to get it done in a hurry. There's no trying to work with a camera, put it on a tripod, and hope that I get everything. I wish I could have done it to help a lot of people out, because a lot of people have problems out of those transmissions on Dodge Rams. Mine's a 64 RE. What mine was doing, I know I'm getting off topic here. When I got up to like 50 or 60, you could feel like the transmission's gonna blow apart. And turns out it was a torque converter. I bought it from O'Reilly's. But I went and got another one. My daughter helped me get one. And I installed it think it's been 2 weeks ago. It's been doing great. I get up to a certain speed, it don't do that just shuddering like it's gonna blow up the whole transmission. And it solved the problem. I'm not trying to run no O'Reillys down. They don't make the parts, at least I don't think they do. But I got this one, the torque converter from AutoZone, so do whatever you want with that. But no, I'm gonna keep working on this with this, and I might bring y'all back around to see the drastic change. Hopefully my friend that owns this Jeep will help me out, because I'd like to try to work around, because I'm trying to keep this stuff in the plastic, and I've been working on this one for about probably 5 minutes, and if you see, it's been coming around. I just got to keep working with it. If yours is really bad, I'd probably buy 2 of these. They're not too expensive. I think they're like probably where I got them at Atwoods. If you got an Atwoods in your neck of the woods or whatever, I think this was about $3.99, $5 with tax. It depends on what it is in your neck of the woods. I'm not sponsored. I'm just saying, if you want to bring your trim back around, this. But if you want to cheat, I'll show you. There's this. Get a can of this, spray it onto a rag, and spray it on all of this. But you got to realize, if you go through any dusty areas, you're going to have that all over your vehicle, your trim and everything. So if you just want it to look good for a little while, this Meguiar's Tire Shine, just temporary shine. Like say if you're going out on a date and you want your vehicle to look really nice, just don't tell the ladies, okay? Oops, I done told the ladies out there if they're watching this. Ladies, too, you know. But no, the Back to Black, it's making this come around. It's going to take you a little while. It might aggravate you. Just take your time with it. Keep it out of the sun while you're doing this. It says it on the bottle. You can't have it hot to the touch. It's got to be cold. Park it in the shade. Let it cool down. Do not do it while it's hot. I tried that and it did not look good at all. So anyway, y'all see how good it is. I don't know if I'm gonna do a second video of this, maybe, but I'm not using this. But it's coming around. You've seen the other side. It looked bad. Hopefully the other side will get a lot better. I'll bring you back for the other side. But stay tuned, and in a snap of a finger, I'll be on that side showing you that. Alright, I'm back. I got some help this time. We got it finished. Now, we probably have to go back over this, maybe some of that, but it's looking good. Got the bumper back here, shined up his tire. Got all that up there too. If you go back in the video, you see that how bad this was. That Back to Black, it works really good. Right now he's working on the bumper. This is basically, I worked on this side a lot, so if he's got enough left, I'm gonna try the other side again, because it's starting to dry out. But this side's holding pretty good, maybe because that side's in the sun a little bit. But what you're doing is you're doing exactly what he's doing, is just wipe it down, put some muscle into it, and just keep it wiping it down. You may have to go over it probably 3 or 4 times, mainly because the plastic's so dry, so it'll soak this up, not suck it up. It'll soak it all up. So it's like right here, he can't get this out because this is silicone, and I don't want to mess this up. But yeah, you can see where it's kind of drying out. He's got this edge pretty good. Just need to get the top again. These were really dry. So is the cab. So we're going to go back over this. and it should be golden. If any of you want to try it, it's Back to Black trim and plastic restore. It's the name brand of it is Mother's. So if you'd like to try that, I'm not sponsored by these people at all. If you want to try it on your vehicle, go ahead and try it. But if it's really bad, faded out, this may not work. But you can attempt to try. I think it's maybe $3 a bottle. But if they sell it in a smaller bottle than that one right there, I'd go for it just to do a test on it. But anyway, that's the results of this. This is a 2014 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. These fender flares, if you've seen, are pretty bad. But thanks for watching, everybody. If you hadn't subscribed, think about it. I don't make videos daily, but I'm gonna try. But until next time, everybody, peace.